Oh man, look at that. Wow.
It's not breaking.
Ah, that was a bad idea.
Yeah,
So
this
much
is
nice
the
sauce.
best pizza day ever.
Best pizza day ever. Whatever goes on is gonna be our special ingredient.
Welcome to Leo and Daddy's cooking show.
This is our cooking show.
Yeah, and that's Daddy and I'm Leo.
Yay, and what are we making today, Leo?
Pizza!
Pizza!
Yeah.
We're making our own dough. And what are we gonna put on the pizza?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I know.
Six
Okay,
things.
well that's our special thing. But what kind of pizza are we making today?
Pepperoni.
No! Ham and pineapple! Everyone loves pepperoni too, but we're doing ham and pineapple today.
With sprinkles and those
Yeah,
everything.
but we actually have a little special twist for our show. We have some special ingredients that'll be going on at the end, just before we put it in the oven. And we'll show you what our special ingredients are with our special ingredients
Yes.
spinning wheel, prize wheel.
Yeah, this is.
So we have 7 different special ingredients.
That's me and Daddy.
Yeah, and we got some fishy crackers, strawberries, crickets,
And gummy bears and rainbow
sprinkles, bacon, and
Colombia.
oysters, smoked oysters.
Yeah.
Don't want that on a pizza, do you, Leo?
No,
No
we're
way.
going to keep that for later.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, yeah, and the dried crickets. Oh, man, look at these things
Can I
right
try
there.
one?
Oh, yeah, maybe you can try one, sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe, yeah.
You can never have too many of these. It's good.
It's good. Nice. All right, so now we have to get into our aprons and our hats. So you ready to get in our aprons and our hats? Okay, ready? We gotta clap our hands times 3. 1, 2, 3. Hey, all right, we're back. Got our aprons on, got our nice hats on.
Yeah,
Keep the
mine
hair
are
out of our
best.
pizza. You want to hair in the pizza, right? All right, and so now we're gonna get our bowl, and we have a bunch of ingredients. So they'll be listed
1 million.
up there somewhere, I hope. And so the first ingredient will be some sugar. Yes, put some sugar right there.
All of it.
All of it right in there, Leo. Sugar, very nice, very nice. And then we need some yeast. Put the yeast in there. Nice, see the yeast and sugar in there. Mix it all around in there. And then we need a cup of nice warm water. Oh, can you do that? Oh man. Perfect. And we just mix it around. Which color of spoon do you want?
Green.
Green ones, nice. And you just mix it around a little bit. Mix it around until it gets a little creamy. It's a little creamy inside there.
Creamy.
Yeah, so we'll be mixing it around. And then once it's done and it's getting all creamy, then we'll let it set for like 10 minutes.
Look.
Oh, it's getting nice, eh? All right.
Creamy.
It's looking pretty creamy, isn't it? Yeah. Looks creamy to me. All right, wait for 10 minutes. All right, so our 10 minutes is up.
Yeah.
Our yeast has been sitting there for about 10 minutes.
Yeah.
And nice warm water, so we're ready for the next step. So next step is we need some flour, some
I can
pizza
put
flour.
all of
There's
it?
a difference.
All of it or not?
I think we dump it all in there, Leo. What do you think? We dump it all?
Yeah.
Dumping it all. All right, good job. And then we need some salt.
Salt.
Salt. A teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of salt. Want me to dump it in? Or you want to dump it in?
Dump it.
Dump it.
Please.
Not coming out.
I can help you.
Still not coming out. Oh, there you go. You gotta hit it. Good job, Leos. And we did wash our hands before we did all this, so just something if you're thinking. And we need oil. There's our oil right there.
Ew, I don't like eating oil.
No, we're not eating. Just a little bit of oil. Mix it all in there. And it's gonna make it nice and fluffy. Whoa. Is that all of it?
Yeah.
Perfect. There you go. And then we stir it around and stir it around. And then, yeah, we beat it until it's nice and smooth. Oh, good stirring, Leo. You're right-handed, I see. And it looks pretty good. I think we mixed it all together. Yeah, we gotta let it rest now. We'll let it rest for 5 minutes. So 5-minute break. Okay, we're back 5 minutes later, and we've got our dough, and it's been rising over the last 5 minutes. Looks pretty good. So I think our next step is, Leo.
Cookie.
No, that's almost there. That's the last topping. What we have to do is put a little flour down here, and we gotta roll our dough, and we make our own pizza crust. How's it feel? I don't know, you flip it over, get some flour on the other side. Oh, look at that. Whoa. It's looking like some good dough. Well, we didn't tell anybody to subscribe to our channel and give us a like if you like our show. We also didn't tell you that we actually put the oven on. Forgot about that, but it's at 450 degrees and should be ready hopefully by the time we need to put the pizza in the oven. All right, so you gotta pat it. Now can we pat it? We gotta pat it into like an actual like pizza shape. What does a pizza shape look like, Leo?
Round.
Round, exactly.
Round
pizza
circle.
shape is round.
Like a car tire.
Kind of like this, like a little pizza round. It's gotta fit this surface.
Daddy, my sleeves are calmed down.
Oh no, not again. Oh man, this is what I'm here for, the assistant. Help the pizza guy make his pizza. Oh, doing such a good job. Wow, looking like a real pizza.
Daddy, some flowers.
Uh-oh. That's what we got the aprons on. Look at that. Oh, dusty. And they're white too. You can't even tell how much flour we have on ourselves.
Now we have to flip it over.
You want to flip it over? Yeah. Can you do it?
I hope it doesn't break.
Oh man, look at that. Whoa.
It's not even breaking!
That was a bad idea. Flour everywhere. I was thinking maybe we do this. What do you think, Leo? Should we put this down and we cut a circle out of it?
Yes, that's a good idea. You're so smart.
Oh, I think it's a good idea.
I'm really smart.
You're super smart. Okay, now we'll do this. Put that down. How's that? And then
I'm
getting
getting
our trusty little cutter.
I'm getting all the flour right here.
Cut it all in with trusty like this. And voila!
Good dots.
It's ready to go. This is exactly the right size. So now we gotta
put some sauce.
Somehow get it from here to there. How are we gonna do that? I don't know, without wrecking it. See if we try.
How about we just do it in
Just really softly, slowly.
a different pan?
Oh man.
How
about I lift it up and you put it underneath? I lift it up, you put it underneath. No, you put the tray underneath. So I'll go like this, and you put the tray underneath. How's that good? Like that? And then we put it on top of there.
Oh no, it's not circle anymore.
What kind of circle is it now? Is it not a circle?
No.
It's kind of like a circle. Look. It's looking really, really good.
Daddy, look, we did it.
I think so. I think we did it. Is it on?
Daddy,
It's pretty good,
look.
right? Yeah. Get some flour. We get the sugar, salt, and yeast. A little bit of water. And our oven's ready to go too. Wow, we're right on schedule, Leo. Oh, we gotta put some toppings on it.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have our pizza sauce
Yeah.
in a squeeze bottle. Gonna do it really easy here.
But I can do it all by myself.
You can do it yourself?
Because-
Can you squeeze it on there?
Because no ever treated me.
Wow, very nice, very nice. Oh my gosh. Oh no, don't get her. Oh, I think it's a lot. I think it's too much.
And now we have to spread it.
Mama loves it anyway, so we need
Now we have to spread
get
it.
the spoon.
And spread it.
Spoon, spread it around.
Yeah,
So
this
much
is
nice
the
sauce.
best pizza day ever.
Best pizza day ever. What else you want to put on it?
My favorite,
Well,
ham.
ham? Ham! We have ham! It's all nicely chopped up. How about we put them both on at the same time?
That's what I was
How about
thinking
you put
too.
cheese on, I put pineapple on. That's a good idea. Pineapple there. Oh, very nice, very nice. Oh, still stay tuned for the special ingredients going to come on. Once we put these last few ingredients on, we're going to throw in the special ingredient.
Dough.
Who knows what it's going to be? I have no idea. Which one do you not want it to be, Leo?
I want it to be.
Which one don't you want it to be?
Not those because they don't know what those.
Well, that's bacon. Everyone loves bacon.
Okay, I like
Especially
it.
on a Canadian pizza like this with ham, pineapple, and mozzarella cheese.
I love cheese. I'm going to try some.
Me too. Oh man. Good.
So good.
So good. You know what time it is? it's for the special ingredient to go on. Okay, so do you want to spin the wheel, Leo?
Yes.
So give it one good spin, and whatever goes on, it's gonna be our special ingredient. Oh man. Do you want bacon or not bacon? Or what's it gonna be? Gummy bear! Gummy bears on a Hawaiian pizza? Oh my gosh, Leo. All right, so you wanna grab the gummy bears? Oh man. So
I hope this tastes really good.
We should probably test them first. Make sure they're real gummy bears.
They're real gummy
They're
bears.
really gummy bear. They're kind of hard.
Good.
They've been gooey. We're gonna put them on here. Do we put the whole thing on or just a few?
A few.
A few, yeah, probably a few.
That's what.
Gummy bear pizza. Almost looks like pineapple. You almost can't tell which ones are which. Got green ones, orange ones, and red ones.
Can I try a yellow one?
Really good. Now we're gonna put it in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes, but we're gonna watch it because we don't want it to burn. So here we go. Put it in the oven. I'll do this, Leo. Very, very hot.
Yeah, I know it.
Put it down on the bottom here. Okay, 5 minutes to go. It's almost ready to go. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Done. Oh, so we're gonna cut it up. Do you want Daddy to cut it for you?
No, I
Still really soft. Oh, you gotta really go through the whole thing, Leo. So let me Daddy do it. It's pretty hard to do. Let's go really quick. Oh boy. Look at that, eh? Smells good. Oh yeah. Oh man, look how hot it is, Leo.
Look at all that.
Look at it steaming. Wow, look at it steaming.
Yum, yum, yum.
Alright, so here's our pizza. Gummy bears on it. Oh man. Oh, look at the gummies. Wow, look at that. Want to try it? That's really good.
That is much gooder than yours.
I don't know. It's got the pineapple sweetness, but it got the gummy bear sweetness as well, which makes it like extra sweet.
I told it it'll be much sweeter.
Is it good? I think it's good. Gummy bears.
That one.
Oh, good.
That is it stuck to your teeth?
It's like a candy pizza. Hey, is it stuck to my teeth? Oh man. I had to brush my.
See?
You gotta brush your teeth.
Ah, it's stuck.
No! I can't stop eating it. It's so good. Well done, Leo.
I hope you liked our cooking show of Leo and Daddy.
Yeah, it was our first one. We made pizzas, and gummy bears was a secret ingredient. So we'll do another one next week, and we'll see what the secret ingredient will be for that one. All right, thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.
Bye.